We've just spent all of our money on a camper van. We bought it blind. Have we made a mistake? Hit subscribe, hit like, because you're about to find out. It's a new day.
It is a new day. And I've just put my rucksack up in there now.
So, how much have you got in there?
So
Open
much.
it up. Let's have a look.
I'll give a little tour.
So this is a $25
Yeah.
top bag from from Kmart.
Yeah, Kmart. So this is the toilet, but there's another half that's bigger than that section, just at the back. We've got snorkel and flippers. We've got some fabric that I wanted to line the drawers with that we found at curbside pickup. We've got like a bike mount in there. What else have we got? We've got some like jumbo mats, jump leads, my rucksack, Danny's rucksack, more jump leads, and then a whole bag of tools and rollers and paintbrushes and all sorts else. There's still a fair bit of room in there because we've not organised it all that well. But, so yeah, we're just having a good tidy up, aren't we?
Just dropped your mitt in the paint bucket.
Oh dear. That's okay.
We slept great here.
Yeah, so well. Yeah.
Actually, no bother at all.
No. Yeah, perfect spot.
Check out that bus. That bus pulled up last night just as we were getting ready. This guy's fixing his van up over here. So is that strapped down tight, do you reckon?
I think so.
We'll find out, won't we?
Yeah, we will, but...
You want to tie the slack off as well so they don't flap about when we drive. That's freed us up so much room. We've now got all of this space freed up. That was full of other stuff now that's up in that bag, along with rucksacks and other various bits and pieces. The front was full of stuff. We just had to keep moving everything around all the time. But now we can just... Oh, there's a very cute dog over there. We shouldn't need to keep moving stuff around now. Everything's got its home. So this can go in the back. It's all coming together. We'll be putting that up later at some point. Maybe tomorrow, maybe tonight. I might actually just have a look at it now, to be fair.
Yeah, do it.
2 screws? Oh no, you just stick it up. I was going to screw it up. I reckon that should go this end, like that. Or do you think further back, so it lights up the pantry area behind us? Let's just see how this goes. We've all had a few, fair play. Is that the needle? It's hard to tell. Yeah. My eyes is like a level.
Woo! Well, yeah, and this evening go to that, watch the fireworks and everything, and then tomorrow drive to Landsborough, and we can book the Landsborough accommodation. We'll stay at the caravan park for a couple of nights. What do you reckon?
Cool,
Okay.
right, we're going to walk over to find some coffee, check out the Ekka. Although we've just found out that it's $40 to get in, and that's per person, so we might actually give it a miss. Although it's such a big thing, it feels like it would be a real shame to miss it.
Yeah.
It's the biggest event in Queensland of the year. That's why the public holiday is on, just for the Ekka. It's something to do with the divide between Queensland and New South Wales, when New South Wales was recognised as a state or something like that. So they have a big festival. Yeah, it started in 1876. So after taking a look at the Ekka, it just kind of looked like a big fun fair, and at $40 a ticket each, we thought that was too much. So we're filling up the van and going to a few shops to make sure we're ready for our second night in Big T. We need a new Adventure 4 camping stove because the one that came with the van unexpectedly is leaking gas every time we try and lock the canister in, so we need to exchange it for a new one. How did we do that without a receipt, you ask? I'll show you in another video, so make sure you hit subscribe. We found some lamb steaks in Woolies for $8 to cook on the new stove tonight, and we're ready to hit the road.
So, what have you just done there, Danny boy?
I've lifted the riot shield. These things have calmed down.
Happening a riot. Is that how the song goes?
Copyright infringements.
Whoopsies.
No, I've just lifted up the chip guard.
I don't know if that's what it's called.
Stone guard.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's the one. Just don't mind us in our glove box full of nuts. Anyway, so
Just move that up because it's a bit easier for you to see
yeah,
when it's up.
I definitely appreciate that. And now we are off to Landsborough and we're staying at Ocean View Tourist Park.
We'll definitely be coming back here at some point. What is happening here?
Right, this is our late check-in letter that we just found at the campsite.
Up the massive hill that the van struggled with.
Yeah, that was really, really scary. I was driving and I was like, I literally don't know what to do. Like, my foot was flat. We've got a little map.
Cool, where do we need to go?
Oh, there's laundry here. So office is here. So we should be on that road.
This map isn't particularly helpful. Helpful? What does that say? Please note our tours. No.
Did you notice as we were walking back from the office there that looked like a road coming in? Which I'm trying to figure out.
I must be by these bins. No. When you say there's a road parallel, are you sure it's not the main road?
I'm sure. Look, it's right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. And there's the sign. I was thinking there should be a sign somewhere. This is a much nicer road. Well, it's not. There we go.
We are in. We're stocked up. We're set up. This is only our second night sleeping in Big T, and it's feeling much more homely than the first. The lamb steaks are cooking, the beers are cracked, and Happy Gilmore 2 is on the TV. This is the start of our adventure. And then when we were eating breakfast, a kookaburra came over, so inevitably I had to try and hand feed him. His wife's got a cold as well.
Oh, really? It's just a scratchy throat.
That's how it starts, isn't it?
And it's sniffly nose. Yay!
Oh, it's nicer out of there, like hot.
When we used to go camping when I was a kid, I'd always have a hot chocolate in the morning. Mum would hear me getting up and start making it, bless her. And I'd have a hot chocolate outside and you'd be wrapped up in a million layers because it's like in England and it's freezing cold.
Oh, I love that. I actually love that. Ow!
What just happened?
Nothing, I'm being dramatic.
Okay.
Sorry. Have you ever seen a shelf fall over in the back of a van? What was Eminem doing in Happy Gilmore 2?
I don't have a fucking clue.
It's so random. So I'm just removing this light bar because once the awning is rolled up and tucked away with all the feet in this mechanism, it kicks the material out once it's rolled up just a little bit far, making it really difficult to zip up and unzip. So I'm going to remove it, which means the legs will go in further and then it will roll up tighter and then it won't put as much strain on the zip. We really struggled to open it up for the first time the other night, and we won't use this light bar anyway. It's not even wired in the other end. That's not as bad as I thought. One more clip there. Interesting. There's a hole there that goes all the way through, so I'm guessing that would let water in at some point. Well, at least that's taken down, and then we can see how much easier it is to put away. It's nice and dry now because it was peeing it down with rain yesterday. So that's all completely dry. So the next thing we're doing is draining the shower tank from above, because the valve keeps leaking, it's just dripping constantly. And on top of that, we're carrying around 40 litres of water that we're not going to use for a little while, so we may as well empty that, and then we can change the valve over, get the shower system fitted properly, and we're carrying less weight in the meantime. I'm going to open up the valve at the front to try and let the air through so that drains faster. That is not good. Not good at all. If anyone knows how I can get the rest of this fitting out, I would be very, very grateful. Up the chip, what's it called? The chip thing. The chip guard.